ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so here we have a really easy DIY gift giving idea. So we bought these jars kit. It's actually a bottle jar kit thing off Amazon. And so it comes with dish soap sticker, hand wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So you can choose, it comes in the 2 bottles. So if you want to order more bottles to do more. So I'm going to choose to do the dish soap and hand soap, which is really fun in that if you want to do, let's just say organic soaps, I don't have any, so I just grabbed what I have. I really like Mayors. I think today we're going to go with the basil. So let's just apply our sticker, and you have to be smarter than the sticker to take it off. All right. So you can see on your bottle there's a line here, and so we're going to put that to the back. I'm going to place my sticker, hopefully fairly centered. Okay. Peel that extra off. And I'm going to rub the air bubble out. It's right here. Okay, pretty cute. I could have probably lowered it a little bit, but we are going to place the next one and see how good we can get this. You know, a good way to add soap to your bottle is to use a funnel. So I would highly recommend, if you have a funnel, to use one. Okay, so there's our bottles. Very pretty. We're gonna do the hand wash, and I'll take 1 funnel. That's a smaller one. Maybe I'll take the bigger funnel here, just because we were making candles the other day, so we'll just use that. I don't always use a funnel, but what happens is it'll overflow your edge if there's an air bubble in there. It's kind of messy. And we're just going to go ahead and fill up our bottle almost to the top. And we're going to do that for both. I'm going to use Blue Dawn dish soap for my dish soap. That's my favorite, but again, you can do something organic or whatever you like, and then you can give it for a gift or for yourself. So anyways, I'll give the link to the this Amazon kit. Go. Just try not to overfill that, because when you put your this in, you don't want it to make the soap spill back up. And we're just going to tighten that up. Pretty cute.